A vegetarian diet is a type of a diet consisting of edible plant tissues and organs such as fruit, seeds, leaf, roots, stems, and other food. Those who follow this type of a diet are referred to as vegetarians. They are preferred for a plant-derived meat-free menu. Plant is associated with health, political, ethical, and economic concerns. There is also a so-called semi-vegetarian diet which includes non-mammalian meat in the menu plan.
I will explain on the principles of vegetarian diet. The first principle is think about protein. The vegetarian can easily meet their daily protein needs by eating several of plant-based foods such as nuts, eggs, meat, and soy products. The second principle is consider calcium. The mineral calcium is essential in overall health in order to achieve and maintain healthy teeth and bones.
The third principle is eat more fruits and vegetables. Whole fruits and vegetables are some of the best foods vegetarians can eat because it low in calories, high fiber, and brimming with vitamins, mineral, and antioxidants. The fourth principle is go for whole grains. Some of the research have shown that eating whole grains help to lower our risk for heart disease, obesity, and diabetes. The fifth principle is don't forget fiber. It is because fiber is a part of plant foods that our bodies cannot digest or absorb into the bloodstream, but it trains the digestive system as it moves through our body. And the last principle is limit foods high in fat, salt, and sugar. It is because foods in this group provide energy in the form of fats and sugar, but may only provide a very small amount of other nutrients.
When people think about vegetarian diet, they typically think about a diet that doesn't include meat, poultry, or fish, but vegetarian diets vary in what foods they include and exclude. There are 5 types of vegetarian diets. First, lacto-vegetarian. It is a diet that excludes meat, fish, poultry, and eggs. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, yogurt, and butter are included. Second, ovo-vegetarian diets exclude meat, poultry, seafood, and dairy products, but allow eggs. Third is lacto-ovo-vegetarian. It is a diet that removes meat, fish, poultry, but allow dairy products and eggs. Fourth is pescatarian diet. It is a diet that excludes meat and poultry, dairy and eggs, but they allow fish. And the last one is vegan diet. Vegan diet excludes meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products, and any food that contains these products. Well, some people follow a semi-vegetarian diet, also called a flexitarian diet, which is primarily a plant-based diet but includes meat, dairy, eggs, poultry, and fish on occasion or in small quantities.
Advantages of vegetarian diet. 1. Lower blood pressure. Researchers and studies found out that people who don't eat meat may have low blood pressure. Moreover, plant foods usually to be lower in fat, sodium, and cholesterol, which can give a positive effect on human blood pressure. Fruits and vegetables also have a good concentrations of potassium, which can help to lower down the blood pressure.
The second one is lower risk of death. A vegetarian person has many benefits and tends to live longer and be healthier in the long period. According to studies that have been done by experts, vegetarians live 20% longer than others. The risk for chronic disease may also be less because saturated fat and cholesterol are less.
Next, reduce cancer risk. Some research has found that vegetarian diets are associated with a decreased risk of certain cancer, including colorectal. A vegan diet was also found to offer the most protection against female-specific cancers like breast cancer.
Disadvantages of vegetarian diet. First, lack of some nutrient. Vegetarian food item lack in protein as compared to non-vegetarian food item. Food of insufficient amount of protein can lead to other kind of disease. Vegetarian diet are abundant in 6 fatty acids, which are thought to be important for immune, cognitive, and cardiac function.
Protein is an important nutrition for almost all cells function. It's important for the body to have protein in order to keep and repair tissues. However, vegetarian and vegans must consume more protein than meat eaters since plant-based protein is less digestible than animal protein. Plant-based protein have higher dietary fiber and less saturated fat than animal-based protein. In order to build complete protein, all essential amino acids must be present. Plants rarely contain all 9 required amino acids. People who consume meat do not have to think about this because animal products are naturally complete.
The third point is requirement of supplementation. As vegetarian foods are not sufficient for protein and calcium, it is necessary to supplement the diet with other protein-rich foods such as omega-3 fatty acid, which includes avocado and salmon, iron such as banana and dates, vitamin B12 such as nuts and cheese.
All things considered, vegetarians don't consume meat for a number of reasons, which can be for health or economic reasons. This diet is becoming more popular around the world. Plant-based foods provide us with all the nutrients we need to stay healthy. Furthermore, this type of food is quite beneficial in terms of preventing heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure.